want to get wet. You want to get wet?
No.
I've heard you do. Hey, how did this happen? The length of its quick. You're going to get soaked. I think we're going to get wet just from the overspray after this thing. You guys should be okay for right now.
Right now.
It shuts off when you get to it.
No, sometimes it doesn't.
Sometimes it doesn't.
Last time we were somewhere and we had a whole boat full of people behind us. We were the only ones. We were like, what's the point? What's the point?
Well, I don't remember this one. Weight dispersion. The heavy guy was on the opposite side from you. Blew you up closer. It's got to be salty.
Yes, you did.
Round and round she goes. I think it's you two. Yeah, it's gonna spin. Big spin.
I don't think it's
Big spin. Big spin.
It's not gonna spin.
Big spin. Oh yeah, it is definitely you two.
Sorry, ladies.
Oh no, wait a minute. No, no, no!
I barely got it.
That was not bad.
No, that actually wasn't too bad.
Not even wet. Like, I'm barely wet.
I hate this. It's so cold.
That's cold.
Yeah. Why don't they like ever put two people in there?
Nice and half.
This one's cold.
Oh, come on! Oh, truly see if the camera's waterproof. It says right on it, water resistant, not waterproof. Do not immerse. Oh, like it matters? All right, say goodbye.